We also talked about how there's really an easier way to divide fractions. It's great to model, but it's also great to have an algorithm or a rule. So here's the rule: keep, change, flip. So if we have an easy division problem like this, 4/5 divided by 1/2, I always circle that second term so I remember that's the one I'm going to flip. And it's keep, change, flip. So I keep this fraction, I change division to multiplication, and then I take the reciprocal, or I flip this one. Once you've done that, it's really simple to just multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 1 is 5. Here's one that's a little bit harder. We have a mixed number divided by a fraction. So the first thing we need to do is change that mixed number into an improper fraction, 3/2. So keep, and then change division to multiplication, and then flip or take the reciprocal. And here you can see we get 3/2 times 4/3. If you recall, we reviewed cross-canceling, which is a nice, easy way to simplify before you multiply. We could just multiply across and get 12 over 6, which is the same as 2. Or we could look on the diagonal and say, are there any common factors here? Yep. 3 goes into both of those numbers, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then let's look on the other diagonal and see 4 and 2. Are there any common factors? Yep, we could divide 2 out of this denominator and 2 out of this numerator. And you can see then 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. So either way, you get the same answer. That's all for now.